Hello everyone, friends, Waver here. Today I'll show you how to speed up your Steam downloads. First, you need to open Steam itself. Yeah, obviously. Next, go to Settings. Go to Downloads and remove the speed limit if you have one enabled. Next is the download region. In this same menu, choose the region closest to you. So scroll through the regions here. I have Lviv here, the closest region. There, but you can have any of these. There. Well, just look at a map. It's usually set automatically, but sometimes a distant server gets selected and it downloads slowly with high ping. There. Next, you can try clearing the download cache, but be careful. If you're downloading games right now, the process will be cancelled, so be cautious. If you've been downloading the game for a while, don't clear the cache, or you'll just restart the whole process from scratch. But later on, after you finish downloading, clear the download cache, and that'll fix some of the download lag. Next, I recommend right-clicking on Start, clicking on Task Manager, Task Manager. And here we have this thing called Network, there. And then you filter applications by network usage and close them one by one. Usually it's browsers, all kinds of download managers, same game platforms like Epic Games, could also be Ubisoft, and you close them. Here's performance, internet. You can also dig around here, look for processes that are using the most internet, on your computer, on your network. Also here, while we're at it, so to speak, you can go to processes. Yes, Steam, select it. So click on details, look for Steam, just click and start typing Steam in English. Right click and select priority. Choose high priority. This can also speed up downloads. Also, there's a thing called download speed limit during streaming. You need to turn that off too because it interferes with downloading. There. If these things didn't help, I suggest opening your browser to check your internet speed, and it's better to use a cable connection instead of wireless since it tends to lose signal. Right? So to check your speed, just type test and go to that site to check it. That's it. This was Weber. Bye, everyone.